We're Cazzy and Bradley, and we're driving our camper van around the world. We're currently in Bulgaria, and this week we test out our new fire kit, discover the beautiful mountains, and run into a slight complication with the van.
Don't stop!
Hello, welcome back to another video. We are in Bulgaria, near Bankso. So tonight we're having a proper hashtag van life experience. I don't know what you think of. When I think of van life, you know, you picture like being in the wilderness, you know, having like campfires, you know, cooking food, like mountains there. That's exactly what we've got. These are the Rila Mountains over here, but I'm really excited, so I'm going to set up our camp chairs now. And we have a brand new barbecue grill fire pit combo thing from Wolf Grizzly, and it looks amazing. It's like, I'll show you in a second, it's like really lightweight. So we're gonna set it up, we're gonna get ready, I'm gonna go collect some wood, get ready for the sun to start setting in and get cozy. Actually, first of all, I'm gonna do a little bit of litter picking because people have left some junk.
So these are the fake meats that we have. We've got fake sausages and fake burgers, and we're gonna grill them on the fire pit.
So this is our barbecue fire pit.
Look, that
Turns into that.
so cool.
This is our like fire pit.
Look at that.
I think it's for like airflow, and it's like once you're done, apparently we've not used it yet, so you literally lift it off and it's like really easy to like dispose of ashes and whatnot. Look at this grill, it's so cool.
Yeah, and we've got some fake meats to cook on there, so we're pretty excited. It was a really nice evening. Brad's just putting the fire out, come back in, it was freezing in here, so I popped the heating on. I'm gonna make a drink and get some work done actually. Usually I would start cooking about now, but it's all done, so I can actually use my evening productively. So I'll see you in the morning.
Cut this morning to the sound of mooing.
But it wasn't me.
And we have been inundated with the cows.
Everywhere.
They're literally staring at me, Kaz. They're right there. They're there.
How are we gonna drive around?
You're loud, you know?
So we've made our stop at the Rila Monastery. This, when on my research, this is like one of the most popular places to visit in all of Bulgaria. So, I mean, we'll go check it out. The drive up here is beautiful with all the autumn colours, so it's definitely worth it for that. Go find something to eat now, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Tonight I am making some pesto cream tagliatelle, a load of vegetables. I'm doing my chopping and watching How I Met Your Mother. Evenings in the van, just cooking when it's cozy and cold outside and it's warm in here. So this is how it turned out, and yeah, a lot of pasta on Brad's plate there, but you know, he's on the Keane stream.
Good. And we're finally starting Squid Game.
Yeah, here we go. So I could start this vlog by saying, oh yeah, we're up really early, but it's actually 8:30. But for us it feels really early. And now we're heading to the Seven
Seven Lakes on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah, so I don't think you get a cable car up there, so it should be fun. So we've made it up to the starting point to get the ski lift up the mountain, the Rila Mountain I think it's called. It's only 20 Bulgarian each, which is like £8, and it's a ski area in the winter, but right now it's like a hiking, walking area, but we could check out. We're on it!
It's a proper skiing challenge.
Except we're not skiing this time. This is actually a lot scarier when there's no snow underneath. Then Brad, I think when there's snow I can convince myself that I'll be okay. This is just rock and grass. I claim not to be afraid of heights, but I think as I'm getting older I'm getting worse. You gotta get what you wanted.
Beautiful soft snow. Stop a bit. Took us off the trail.
Just in our little walk with some coffee and
some water from Rila Mountains. Cazzy's been freaking out about riding the gondola back down. So to take our mind off it, we're going to have a nice conversation about
what would happen if it snapped.
If it snapped, yeah, and how much trust we're putting in this 4 kilometre, it's 2 kilometres down, so it's a 4 kilometre long piece of steel. So surely if it snapped in one place, anywhere, everyone would just collapse, fall off and die. Maybe you wouldn't even die, maybe that's the worst part, you'd just be like maimed.
You know what?
It's not a pleasant thought, but you know, you got to do something to take your mind off it, don't you?
Find a wild camping spot. You can see the mud. Brad said it's dry, so it has to get his.
I have a route in mind. I walked down there and there's like a really cool fire pit. So it looks a really nice spot. Yeah, just getting through these little bits here. So yeah, let's give it a go.
Sure. Oh!
I stopped.
Oh no 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 no!
I mean. That was that one that was spinning. It was the right tyre that was spinning on the mud. It's alright on the grass.
So how do we get off it then?
See, the danger was I stopped moving there. That's what I shouldn't have done. I mean, you have to go back out the way we just came in. That's the only route there is, because that is impassable there. That is where we'll get stuck.
I'm not entirely sure that we can get back out, and Brad just said he's nervous. I shook my head and said no.
Yeah, so we're here for the night now. It's a really cool spot. Just there's a big old fire pit, so we'll get that going later. There is service, so we can do some work and watch some Squid Game, all the important things. There's another car coming. Okay, so that's a good sign. So if tomorrow we get stuck, as long as people turn up, we can ask them to call someone to come and tow us out.
Okay, update on the situation. We managed to find some bits of wood, and we are now placing them in the areas where we think we'll get stuck.
We're gonna get stuck here on this sand.
Yeah.
And then there.
And that dip.
So these 2 bits will help us get over.
And we just need something for there.
Yeah.
I genuinely feel like I'm staying over in the set of a horror movie. You know, it's like a horror movie scene. There's mud, so it's like we're stuck here. There's an abandoned church behind me. There's just a load of stones everywhere that have writing on them. They can't be headstones, but not like names, just numbers. So I'm just gonna lock the doors and, you know, leave first thing in the morning. It's the next morning.
It's morning time. It's was kind of hoping we'd wake up and the ground was like frozen from the cold, but
It's not.
it's about the same as what yesterday.
But we've put our things together. You can see our bits of wood. Brad has a plan, so we're gonna go for it. But I'm gonna record going over it because, you know, why not?
I really don't know how it's going. I really don't want to get stuck. I really don't want to have to mess around trying to find someone to get us out.
I don't want to get stuck.
Right.
Are we just doing it?
Yeah. Oh, my heart's actually beating.
So's mine!
Here we go.
Come on, 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 don't stop! We done like a massive bump there. That's when I screamed, and Brad's just checking that everything's okay. It's okay?
Yeah, that bit of wood on the left, the second one, it's like, it didn't do anything, it bounced out of the way.
Did it?
Everything else works. Like, nailed the first two. And then the second one, it looks like angle just slightly off and it pinged the wood out of the way, but...
Alright, well, good. Did it.
Oh my god.
Tonight I am making some pesto cream tagliatelle with a load, ooh, that's smoky, with a load of...
Look, this guy's gonna go for it. Can you see that? Is he coming in? He's stopped, he's thinking about it. Cazzy is saying, no, don't do it, it's not worth it. Brad is saying, yeah, do it. Go on, Bulgarian Brad, go for it. Don't go. Come back. Come back.
Great.